To ask the judge for the maximum sentence of life in prison without parole. But under Indiana law, Andrew Conley may become eligible for parole before he turns 40. Andrew Conley made his way to the Ohio County courtroom dressed in a blue shirt and tie for what was believed to be his first day of trial for the murder of his younger brother, Connor. While cameras stayed outside per Indiana law, a sketch artist captured the team being sworn in just before entering a surprise guilty plea.
He's been very remorseful, and from the beginning he's wanted to plead guilty, but as a defense attorneys we have our job to do, and that's what we've done. And the bottom line is it's Andrew's decision, and that's what he wanted to do.
Prosecutors charged Conley with murder after they say he confessed to killing his 10-year-old brother Connor at the Rising Sun home in November 2009. According to court records, the then 17-year-old admitted to engaging Connor in wrestling before choking him for, quote, about 20 minutes.
We believe there's evidence that would suggest he suffers or has been diagnosed with being what we would call as an antisocial personality disorder or a psychopath. And as a result, we believe he does pose a risk and is likely to recommit a crime.
Part of that evidence is a statement Andrew allegedly gave to police stating he watched a series called Dexter on Showtime about a serial killer and felt, quote, just like him. On Wednesday, prosecutors plan to ask a judge for life in prison without parole. Conley faces a minimum of 45 years, but he wouldn't necessarily have to serve all of it.
One of the problems with the laws in Indiana is good time credit starts at half. And then on top of that, they can get educational credits, which has been why one of the problems in this case is he's so young that almost any sentence he got, he would be out at a relatively young age.
Andrew Conley will return here to court for his sentencing this Wednesday. His attorney tells us he's prepared to argue for a lighter sentence because Andrew is young, never been in trouble before, and is sorrowful.